CVS haul. There was definitely a lot better deals, as you can see by the size of my haul this week compared to last week. There's also some unadvertised deals that I'm gonna go over with you, so stay tuned for that. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and give the video a thumbs up. So let's dive into the deals. The first deal I wanna go over, let me get organized here. My big notebook that I try to keep as organized as possible. The U by Kotex. So these are on sale this week. Buy any two, so any size, get a $2 extra buck. So I bought the smallest size. These are the 16 count liners. They are $1.79. In my store, these particular ones were not marked. So in that case, if you're ever not sure, just take this over to the red box. You're gonna scan the barcode and then it'll come up on the screen if it's buy one, get one free, so on and so forth, which it was. You can also print that, so if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can take that with you to the cashier in case they have any questions. So the deal on this, you're gonna buy two. One is $1.79 and one is going to be 85 cents. You're going to use, I had a 2 off 2 any tampons, liners, or pads CRT from last week that printed out the red box. So I used that with this. So you're going to pay 68 cents out of pocket. You're gonna get back $2 an extra buck, so it's gonna wind up being completely free, plus a $1.31 moneymaker. If you don't have that CRT, it's still a really good deal. You're gonna pay $2.68 out of pocket, get back that $2 extra buck. It's gonna be just 68 cents for both of them, so still not a bad deal. The next deal is on the Crest Scope. This is the big one again. This is the 1 liter. They're on sale for $3.99. There is a $1 off send to card coupon in the app, so make sure you clip that before you go shopping. I also had a $1 off any mouthwash brand CRT that I went ahead and paired with this. So final cost is gonna be $1.99 out of pocket. You're gonna get back a $2 extra buck, so this one being completely free. If you don't have that CRT, then your cost is gonna be just 99 cents, so still definitely a really good deal. The next deal is on these Gillette men's razors. So these are on a, the deal is spend 25, get a $10 extra buck. So I don't know if my store goes by the 98% rule or not, and I didn't feel like messing with it. So one of these, I don't remember which one, was $12.49 and one was $12.79. That way my total wound up being like $25.50 or something like that, so it hit that $25 threshold. There is a $4 off coupon that you're gonna get in today's newspapers in the Retail Me Not. I also had a $5 off 20 shave for razors, shave gel, etc. So the deal is going to be, you're gonna use, I was only able to use one of these, so this is $4 off one, but if you read the limit, it's limit 1 per purchase, 2 per day. So because I had that 5 off 20 CRT, I had to do both in the same transaction, so I could only use one of these. So make sure you're reading your limits, make sure you're double checking on that. So you're gonna use one of these, and then I used my 5 off 20 CRT. So the total cost on this is gonna be $16, and then you're gonna get back a $10 extra buck, so the final cost is just $3 per razor, which is not a bad deal because they start at $12.79 or $12.49, so really good deal on the razors. Next is the Chex Mix. So I got 2 different varieties. These are on sale, 3 for $3. To get that price, you have to buy 3. So if you buy 1, it's not gonna be $1. Regularly, they are $2.49. So right there, it's a really good deal. They also have a 50 cents off 2 in the app that you can clip and send to your card. So final cost on these is gonna be just $2.50 for all 3 bags. So that's a really good deal there as well. Okay, so an unadvertised deal. It was not in the ad this week, but it's on Hall's Cough Drops. So there's a bunch of different varieties, different flavors. I got 2 different flavors. This is a new one. It's nighttime, so hopefully when you are having a bad cough or a sore throat, it'll put you to sleep a little easier, so that's why I wanted to give this one a try. They're on sale. So regular price, they're $2.59. There is a tag on like the item for $1 off. So So any of these are gonna be just $1.59. Then when you buy two, you get a $1 extra buck. There is also a $1 off two from this weekend's paper, the 9/8 Smart Source insert. So you're gonna use that as well. You're gonna wind up paying $2.18 out of pocket, get back a $1 extra buck. So your final cost is $1.18 for both, or just 59 cents each. So that's not a bad deal there. Definitely a stock up price. Cold and flus and stuff for the winter are gonna be coming, so I like to keep some in my house. The next deal is on shampoo. So this is Garnier Whole Blends. I haven't tried this specific scent yet, but it's pink and it's really cute, so I thought I'd give this one a shot. It's Oat Delicacy. Yeah, it kind of smells like oatmeal. Pretty good. So the deal on those, it's buy two, get a $2 extra buck. So I picked up one shampoo, one conditioner. You can get two of one, two of the other, however you want to do it. They are $3.99 each, so total is going to be $7.98. There is a $4 off two from this Sunday's paper inserts, the Retail Me Not. So final cost on these is going to be $3.98. You're gonna get back that $2 extra buck, so it's just gonna be $1 each. I went ahead and paired this with the Garnier Fructis deal, the regular Garnier, because I had a $3 off 12 shampoo CRT. So when I combine it, it makes these being a lot cheaper. So I'll get into that in a minute. So the Garnier Fructis is on sale 2 for $7. There's a bunch of different varieties that are included. I got the Damage Eraser, one shampoo, one conditioner. So they're 2 for $7. There is a $3 off two in, again, this Sunday's paper. There's some really good coupons in this Sunday's paper, so if you haven't gotten a paper yet, definitely recommend heading out and at least picking up one. I picked up two, so I can do some good doubles. So then you're gonna wind up paying $4. So I used that 3 off of 12, because again, I paired them together. So when you use the 3 off of 12, your final cost is gonna be just $1, because you're gonna get $2 back in extra care bucks for these two, and you're gonna get $2 back for extra care bucks in these two. So after the coupons, the final out of pocket that you're gonna pay is $4.98, and you're gonna get back $4, so it's gonna be just 98 cents for all 4 of them. So that's a super, super hot deal there. If you have that 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT. Oh no. The last deal I have is on Almay. I didn't do much shopping last week because of Hurricane Dorian. We didn't know what he was doing, so I just popped into CVS real quick. I printed my CRTs. I think I did like 2 or 3 deals, nothing too crazy. So I still had my $4 CRT for any Almay product and my $6 CRT for any Almay product, so I used that in these transactions. Your CRTs from the red box are good through the following Sunday. So in essence, you have 2 weeks of deals that you can pick from for whichever one works best for you. So because I didn't use it last week, if I didn't use it today, it was going to expire. So the deal on these, it's spend 12, get a $4 extra buck for Almay. So I got 2 of these. Oh, there's a glare, you can't really see it. There we go. They are the makeup remover wipes, the long wear, and they're biodegradable, so I thought that was really cool. They're $6.59 each, so your total is going to be $13.18. This is the cheapest item that they had at the CVS that I was at, so that's why I went ahead and did it, because it winds up being a moneymaker. So I bought 2 of these. You're gonna use the $6 CRT from last week if you still have it, the $4 CRT. You're gonna pay $3.18 out of pocket, and then you're gonna get back a $4 extra buck, so it winds up being free, plus an 82-cent moneymaker. So that's a really good deal here if you need any makeup remover wipes. So those are all the deals. Oh no, one more, I lied. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you the actual cards I got because they're for my friends and family. But they are the out of the blue. So Hallmark out of the blue, you don't need any coupons or anything. They're buy one, get one free, and they're only $2.99. So not a bad deal there if you want to get some cards, some thank you cards, anything like that. They're not the, holiday cards or birthday cards. They're mostly like congrats or thank yous for teachers, things like that are the kind of cards. So I had a $2 off Hallmark CRT. So it wound up only costing me $1 for both of these. That's why I wanted to go ahead and do this deal, get a couple of them. So that's not bad. Even if you don't have that CRT, I still think it's a good deal because it's buy one, get one free. So you would pay $2.99 and you would get 2 of them, making your final cost just $1.49 each. So that's not a bad deal there. So those are all the deals that I did at CVS this week. Not a bad haul. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. There will be a printable breakdown as well in the description box. If you see that little arrow, click on that. There'll be a printable document that you can go ahead and print out. Take it to the store with you, makes it really simple. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.